Hello, welcome to the Fast Pre-Market Observation. It is Friday, February 23rd, 2024. All right, real quickly. Um, I just woke up 10 minutes ago, which is very rare. For those that know me, I usually get up between 5 and 6 o'clock without alarm clock for most of my life through high school until now. Yes, I have never owned an alarm clock. But today was one of those rare days. I had slept to almost 8 o'clock a few times in my life. I just go to sleep, and then when I wake up, I wake up. And today was one of those rare days that I get up and I look at the clock. It says 7:01. I'm like, wow. Alrighty, make myself some coffee and just sit down and open up Boeing. I have traded Boeing. For those that remember, the last time I did a bear spread was way back there in December. And it's getting interesting as far as flip to the bull side. I have kind of ignored Boeing after this drop down here. I didn't think going long here was a wise move because they keep having problem, but I didn't want to short either. It was one of those in the middle of a very large channel. I said, just let it be. And now it's starting to look interesting, and I'm liking what it's doing here on declining volume. Uh, what would I do? I would sell put spread down here in the 190, okay, using the channel low as my protector. Um, well, 193, maybe a 192, 188 put spread would be something I would look at as far as potential play. Let's take a look at the premium. Well, until the market open, it's hard to look at uh, option premium. For sure, we need to look at something like a March 8. Let's see March 1st. Is there anything there? Anything worth looking at? There you go. 192.5. Yeah, a 192.5. Let's expand this. A 192.5, 187.5. Look like there might be 40 cents. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see if that hold. Um, that might be a trade I put on. Okay. So that's one potential right there. Okay. Let's go back to the chart. So that's Boeing. CAD color that we like for channel. That I like for channel. Can't speak for other people, of course. There you go. Not yet, but I set an alarm here at 3:28. So if the alarm go off, I will do another bear spread, right? 328, 316. That's kind of a huge gap there, right? 316, 328. But let's see what kind of premium I'm looking at. Now, most likely I will do a March 22nd. Go way out there. March 22nd. Wow, expensive, right? Which is not a surprise. 985, 325, 315. So look like something that could cost me $4 for $4.40 ish at this point. Now let's see if the March 15 give me something different. I like the March 15 more because there is different strike zone, which I like. I like this 327.5 right here. And if I want to do that, I probably do a 325, tighten the spread to say to like say 320, 327.5, 320. You're looking at something like less than $4. That's still expensive, but more doable. Okay, for me, I'd rather do a 380-ish there with a $7 spread chart. Okay, yeah, 327.5. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I mean, it's more doable for 315. Okay, okay, deer. Remember these fast money pre-market live stream is basically something that the ticker, the stock that I looked at is thing that I looked at last night. You know, I kind of glance through the market, the number of tickers that I follow or trade real quick and see what interesting stock is there to look at. And that's why I picked these three. It's kind of random. All right, here's a story on Deere. Earning wasn't great. I watch it on earning and I look at this area right here, right, where the ref flow was. And I said to myself, well, give it 3 days. 1, 2, 3. And it was very tempting during the week to buy there. And I did not. And it failed to, see, this is the thing that concerned me here. See this gap right here? It touched twice and bounced, right? So once again, it touched on the third day. And I said, all right, that looked good. If it's a up day the next day or two, then I might buy. And to be honest, I forgot, right? I was ready, okay? I forgot 2 days in a row. I took my eyes off the ball because I was focused on Nvidia. That was where my eyes was the previous 2 days. In many ways, I'm kind of glad I did, but it's in that zone, okay? So let me, you know me, let's draw the zone. I only remember to look at Deere last night, and I'm like, oh, I missed it. In a good way, I missed it. Okay, it is there. Let's see. Let me just chart one more. Extend that. Okay, so now what would I do here? Would I buy a few share, or would I rather sell some put spread at 345? Let's see. I might do both, like buy a few share and then sell a put spread. What I do normally, for those that don't know me, is I do both, but I buy the share first. I buy the share first, and then on further weakness, if there was a mistake, then of course I either get stopped out if I'm quick enough, and then I sell the put spread below. Okay, I usually do both. So if I was to buy the share this morning, let's see what uh, the option provide. Let's see. Now for bull put spread, I of course do it a lot shorter, right? So let's look at March 1st. 345, yeah, 85, could be a 45 cents play, right? Do a sell 345, buy 340, 45 cents. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Okay, so yeah, that looked like something that's doable. Yeah, I say so. 345, 340 spread. Let's take a look at the long-term chart to see long-term chart. All right, okay. Here's the long-term. 345 is, of course, right there. That's the ref low, right? Right below that. Now you have the long-term 200 weekly moving average coming up, and it is right now roughly 343. So yeah, I like it because by next Friday it should rise to 345 ish, right? See, look, this is how I eyeball it. You see, like last week, from week to week, it goes. Let's say 2 weeks ago, it was 340, just under 340, right? 339, or 340. You can say 340. Eyeball it, and then okay, like I said, it's 340, and then now it's 343. So yeah, can I see it at 345 by next Friday? So that could be the strong. It has not touched the 200 weekly moving average in forever. Okay, it's forever. Let's see. Well, of course, the pandemic, right? So wow, look at that. Wow, the pandemic bottom. That was the last time. Not a surprise, right? Even without extending the chart, I could have guessed that, but it's been a long, long time. So yeah, I like deer here, right? I like deer here. Opposite of cat, I do like it. Last but not least, before I go, let's take a look at BTC. What's going on there? It's hanging around, which is a good thing. Okay, this is a tough resistance. Okay, I talk about this many times. I like it. The longer it going sideways here, the more I like it. I think it need to consolidate, right? This is impressive move, no doubt about that. Um, and it's consolidating here. Now let's go back 2 years. It's 3 years. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it's an area where a lot of people are going to take profit, right? What a move! What a move the last year. Impressive, impressive. So if BTC keep consolidating and absorbing, I might add even more. I add a little bit, 7.5% to be exact, to my holding on IBIT. Okay, so I think um, I might add more, make it another 5 to 7%. I like to bring it up at least 10%. Add more, 10% more to my position that I bought down here. Right down here, I bought IBIT. I liquidated GBTC on this move. Bought IBIT on this move, and add a little bit more to IBIT up here, and I would add more for the next run up if there is one. Now, would I have a stop? The answer is yes. Right now, where's my stop? My stop is 27. Well, let's go to IBIT. IBIT. My stop is 27.55. Okay, right there. I using this candle as my stop. Basically, these two candles is my stop. So I don't mind taking a risk, but at the same time, I'm not gonna give up the profit that I got down here on those couple hundred shares. Okay, so yeah, right now that's the plan. I have an order in. Yesterday, I had an order in at 29. That's where I bought. And well, I bought on this day right here when 29 strike. And I will add more orders around 29-ish in case it drop down there, and I will add some more. But yeah, that's the plan. And that's it. Um, Not much else to say. Deer and IBIT are on my radar this morning.